tuna and rice. So first things first, the ingredients. We got brown rice, we got parsley, we got feta, we got lemon, red onion, tuna, obviously, dried tomatoes, this is optional, and chickpeas. You can choose any type of rice if you like. I like brown rice because you've got to get the protein, alright? And the fibre, love the fibre. Alrighty, so first thing is, we're going to do our rice first. Obviously, because it takes, brown rice is going to take you 45 minutes. So watch out, look out, you're going to be waiting a while. Estimating 45, I don't know, yeah. So, get yourself a pot. Obviously, you don't want to cook it in a fry pan, you dickhead. Alright. Now, I'm going to get myself a, what's this called? One of these. Measuring cup, that's the one. I like to just estimate it. I'll be making probably 4 days worth of tuna and rice. So I'm gonna do, I don't know, half a cup each day. Or just over half a cup. You can really estimate it, whatever you prefer. I just do whatever. Sometimes I'll overdo the rice, I don't know. But yeah, so half a cup to a cup, depends on how hungry you are during the day. So each day, half a cup. Pop those bad boys in there. Alright. Now, that is all the rice we're going to use. As you can see, look at that. Boom. What we can do, some people say you can rinse the rice to get the starch content off, but nah, I don't care. Whatever. Rice is rice. Alright. Get some water in there and then pop it on the stove. Now, when you fill your rice up, I'd say probably the first little tip of your finger, that's how much rice you need. If you need to add more, just add more, I don't care. But yeah, let's go. Alright, my brown rice is on high heat. Don't put it on low, don't be a dickhead. Alright, grab this, put that, we don't need that anymore. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to pre-prep everything. So, we've rinsed these off, rinse them off, don't be a grub. Alright, I'm just going to cut the stalks off, because why not? Have yourself a green bin. I don't actually have one, so don't do what I'm doing. I probably won't actually need that much, so we're going to put that over there. Now, all you want to do is just finely chop up your parsley. Okay. Alright, so we've got our parsley nice and chopped up. Perfect. Now we're going to do our onion. Let's go. Obviously, you're going to peel the edges off. Don't be one of those guys. I don't think you'd really want to eat the skin anyway. Ugh. If you eat the skin, you're a grub. It tastes like a naan. Alright, so take the skin off. Chuck in the bin. Okay. Now with this one, you can either finely chop it into cubes, or you can just slice it, or just dice it really. I like to just dice it, so why not? So, you only need one. Okay. That over there. Yes, my cutting skills are shit, and so are you. No, just kidding, love you. But yeah, nah, my cutting skills are pretty shit, so. But that's right. Practice makes perfect, alright? Now, with the chickpeas. If you don't like chickpeas, then don't use chickpeas. Meh. Now, get yourself a strainer. What you're going to do is you're going to put the chickpeas. Obviously put this in the sink. A little fun tip if you can't actually open it. because you got no nails. I don't eat my nails, but I just don't have nails. Get yourself a knife or a spoon. Pop her up, I know. I'm good. Another one with that one. I like to use 2 cans of chickpeas. Don't go with the bloody home brand. You're disgusting if you do home brand. Open her up. Woo! Looking messy. Strain these. Now, when you chuck them in the strainer, wash them up with some water because you don't want all that shit on your chickpeas. Won't taste nice. Okay, once you drain the chickpeas, chuck them in a bowl. Or you can leave them in the strainer if you like, but I'm going to do bowl. Ah, shit. I've just dropped it everywhere. There we go. Boom. So, we have a parsley, red onion, and your chickpeas. Lovely. Just like that. I'm going to cut myself a lemon. Just in half like that. Pop her over there on the side. And tuna. You add the tuna on the day. Don't add it tonight. Ugh. Gross. Add the tuna on the day. Okay? You might smell out the office, but it's alright. We love tuna, okay? As long as it's not bloody egg salad. If you come in the office with egg salad, piss off. Can't be friends. Now with this one, you don't need to strain this one. I just use a fork, slap her in, should be right. Boom. Now, we're going to come back until the rice is cooked, and then I'll show you how to put everything together. Nice. Alrighty guys, so the brown rice is cooked. So I like to rinse my rice once I've cooked it. Some people do it before and after. I like to just do it after, so meh. So what we're going to do now is we're going to plate up. This is the best bit. So get your containers. You can do Chinese containers, you can do anything. I like to do these because Chinese containers are shit and they leak. So spend money on good containers, I'm bloody telling ya. The amount of school bags I went through from shit oil from arsehole to breakfast going through my bag. Go with good containers. Yeah, they might be expensive, but if you get these bad boys once you're on special, oh, saves you so much time. So, we're going to plate it up. I am probably going to do, I don't know, probably 2 spoonfuls of rice. Add your chickpeas. I like to just eyeball with the chickpeas, so just get your fingers right in there. That's what she said. Can't help it. Can't bloody help it. Alright, add the onions. Chopped or sliced, I don't really mind, whatever you prefer actually. I will add the onions on top. Now we're going to add our dried tomatoes. So get yourself a fork. That was loud. Alright. Pop these bad boys in here. Alrighty, so I've added the dried tomatoes on top. Now I'm going to add my parsley. Straight that on top. Alright, parsley's on top. Now we're going to add the feta. Just use your fingers. Crush it all on top. Just added the feta on top, that's what it looks. Beautiful. Now the last touches. Touch of lemon. You can do lemon or lime, or you can do none. I don't care. So, bit on the top there. Don't get the seeds in there. Don't be one of those guys. I probably will get a seed actually.